Hello guys, welcome to my third video tutorial on HTML5, and in this video we will proceed with the page we left and the code we left on the last video. So we will start putting some things together, or some things for the section here. And the first thing I want to talk about is, let's leave this is my section. We can type this between h1 tags, h1, and down here let's use we will use a new tag called article, and down here let's close this article. And article is a little section that we can use for, as the word says, an article or whatever we want to put in there. It's like a little section that we will use in the main section. Okay, so inside article or between the article tags, we can use headers, or the header section, as we normally use in the whole HTML file. But this header is related only to the article, okay, to the section article. Now we can also use the footer here. So you can think of it as a tiny web page aside of the main web page. Here, close footer. Now between header, what we can use is the title. We can use the title for this article. So let's type here h1 and type latest news or something like that. And here close h1, and let's also type h2 and close h2. And here we can type let's say Bill Gates returns to Microsoft, or something like that. Now down here after the h2, we can type here footer and close. Oops, sorry, we already had footer there. So in here, what we're going to do now is, around the h1 and h2, we had to type a new tag called the hgroup. Okay, what hgroup does is recognize h1 and h2 as being related to the same news, okay, or the same section. So here type close hgroup. Okay, let's indent this. Okay, and down here let's type something like, for example, after the closing header, let's type here something like Bill is back to run Microsoft today, something like that. And inside a footer, we can type something like journalist Michael Stevenson, or something like that. I don't know. Michael Myers. Okay, so basically I think this is it for the article, and let's try and see how this is going. Of course we will need CSS to put this and style this a little bit better but let me just check this. Probably it's a little bit messy now. Check, run, just a second. Okay, let me run this in Chrome. Okay, here it is. Yeah, okay, this is all messy, but here it is. Latest news: Bill Gates returns to Microsoft. Bill is back to run. Journalist Mike Myers. Okay, we will have to style this. Okay, another thing you can do is I can tell you that instead of one, we have now here one article. Okay, but you can type and create as many articles as you want. Okay, in the section. So you can grab this and copy it, then paste it, and this would be another article. Okay, let me just delete this and leave and type here Michael Myers. Save this. Let me check this in Chrome. Launch in Chrome. Okay, so here you have latest news. This is the first article. Okay, and this is the second article. Now I know, guys, that this seems a lot of pretty confusing right now. We will need CSS. We'll start doing CSS in the next video lecture, and all these I promise you that all these tags, a side, the section, the article tag, the nav tag, you'll see how we will use this and how easy it's going to be to style these tags, and how and why these tags were created for HTML5. You'll see how easy we will be able to create and style these tags, and how more amazing things we will be able to create with these tags. Okay, guys, so see you guys in the next video. We'll start doing some CSS in the next video, and some comments that or questions you might have, just post them in the comments below. Okay, see ya.